In this video, I will show you exactly how to trade with SuperForex. SuperForex is a regulated broker which is providing ECN and STP accounts. You can trade with this broker more than 400 different assets. Start with a small minimum deposit of $1 or try out the demo account. In my last video, I showed you my full review of the broker. In this video, I will show you how to trade on the trading platform. SuperForex is offering the MetaTrader 4 account. You can see it directly here. It's available for your mobile device, for your computer, or for your browser. You only need one account for your trading portfolio, so you can log in on the computer and you can log in with the same login details on your smartphone and manage the portfolio. So let's have a look on the MetaTrader 4. I installed the MetaTrader 4. My account is ready. You see here my account balance of $1,000. I deposited here with credit card. And if you want to start with SuperForex, you will find my registration link in the description below for opening a free account. Yes, let's start here. If you downloaded the MetaTrader, you log in here on the server, and now you see this window here. First of all, you have to click here in the field, in the Market Watch field, and click on Show All. That's very important because then you only see all assets. And what I mean with all assets, if you click here on the plus above in the left corner, we see here all the different assets you can trade here. For example, Forex, you can trade here way more than 50 different Forex pairs, Forex exotic pairs of all countries of the world. We can trade here different metals like gold, silver, zinc, platinum, aluminium, and more. Also, CFD stocks are offered, American stocks, European stocks, Australian stocks, and some Asian stocks are offered here. You can trade it with a high leverage of up to 1 to 1,000. From my personal experience, you don't need such a high leverage. It's very risky. You can set up your leverage in your trading account. Sometimes you may need this high leverage, but from my personal experience, you don't need it. But it's cool that they offer such high leverage. And you can trade here other instruments like metals. You can see here future contracts which are available. You can trade here the indices. You can trade for example the S&P 500. And I will make for you an example trade in the Euro US dollar. I will show you some settings. If you click here right in the window, we can use here the grid. I don't want to show it. And if we click on properties, we can change the color, for example. Yes, if I want to want the bar down, I want red bars down. I want beer candles should be red. I click OK, and now the color is changed here. How to trade on this platform? It's very easy. You see here my portfolio. This is when I open here the terminal. You see your account balance, and now you want to open the trade. You can trade directly out of the chart, but I recommend here to open the new order window. Now you see the order window, and I will do a small example trade of 0.01 lot. I see here the market is rising. Now we are in a rebounds here. We see that in the market, and I will open a position for this video as example with a very small amount of money. 0.0 lot is very small. It's like €1,000 in this asset, and this is nothing. One lot. If you check here, one lot, this means your position size is in the units 1,000 of the basic 100,000 of the basic currency of this currency pair. So I choose 0.0 lot, and this is around about 1,000 euro. In this part, this is nothing because you see here the exchange rate, and the market is only changing, very low cents per day, even no cents, sometimes a half cents per day it's changing, so it's a very low amount of money. You choose your position size, the volume as I explained, and now you can choose a stop loss. This is the automatically loss limit, and you can choose a take profit. We can we can correct this afterwards. I don't set it yet, and I change it here to instant execution. We also can pending orders for using limit orders. That means you can use a buy limit. I say, for example, I only buy at $1 and then I use a buy limit. Or I use a sell stop, a sell limit. I say I only sell at the price of $2. Then I choose this and type in here the price and place it. Yeah, or we use a buy stop or a sell stop. This is for breakouts. If the price goes through price range, the order will be opened automatically. Yeah, these are all limit orders or buy stop orders. Okay, let's have a look on the instant execution orders. This is the market order. I will click here on buy or sell. I can speculate on rising or falling markets because this is Forex trading. Okay, for this example, I make here a trade with 0 point lot, and I will make a short long trade. Here I click on buy. So now the trade is opened here. You see my profit here. It's minus 2 cents. Yeah, you see here the margin, what I'm using for this position. I only use the margin of 67 cents. That's nothing, yeah, because it's leverage trading, yeah. This margin you have to deposit on the broker's account. The broker use it to open your position, and now you see here the position is open. I bought here. My position is not in the profit because of the spread. There's always a spread. Yeah, if you use different account types. For personally, I use the STP account, the standard account. There's a spread round about 1 pip, 2 pips. But you can also use another account and start trading here with 0.0 pips in a small commission if you deposit more money than me. Okay, now we bought here and my position is opened. You can change the position. You can choose a stop loss. For this time I will make this for you. I say here is my stop loss on this price, and I click here. When the market falls below through this price, I go out. That's what it means, and I type in here the price level which I marked in the chart to 9, and I click modify. So now we see here the other line, the stop loss line, and yeah, this is my stop loss. Very easy to do, and we can change the stop loss in the software like we want. We have to accept here one-click trading. Yeah, we can use it here and change it with the mouse. This is very good for trading. And if we want to have a take profit, we just use our mouse, and we can see here directly the profit. On the left side you see like 10 cents profit if the market rises about this high. My take profit will be here. And if the market goes here, I see directly the profit would be $8 cents. Okay, I said it before, this is a very small test position for you, and I'm already in zero. I'm already in the profit zone. I will make my I can't do it so how's it called in English? I can't do it nearly be here because of the spread. So I will go out manually, and that's all what you need to know how to trade on the SuperForex trading platform. I hope you enjoyed my video. You know now how to trade. You see here always the order window. You can open the different order position. Just get information about the buy limit, sell limit, and buy stop orders. It's very easy to understand. I explained you in the past. And if you go on superforex.com, you will also find explanation videos from the broker for you where they're explaining how to trade. I hope this video was good for you and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let me see us. Goodbye.